Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple and fun Dollar Tree DIY. First, we're going to be making a Glam Bling Crystal Christmas centerpiece. And so what you'll need is you're going to need one of these tall tea light holders. You're going to need a candle holder plate. You're going to need one of these tea light holders. These come in a set of 2 from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a clear vase, and it could be this shape, this fishbowl shape, or any shape you like. You're going to need one of these little styrofoam balls. You can pick these up at Dollar Tree. I've got some loose gemstones here, and I picked these up at Walmart. I have got some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I picked mine up at Walmart. Got some hot glue. If you want to make this permanent, use E6000. I've got some silver berries here. And then I have some white flowers. I've got some white poinsettias here. And I also have some white roses. And so these are the items that we'll need to create this beautiful centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, isn't that beautiful? Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.